In this video, you will see how to rotate an image in Google Slides. As you can see, I have rotated this image to this image and it's very easy. First, you need to go to the Insert tab, click on Image and upload from computer or any other source you have. Once the image is inserted, now you can rotate the image by clicking on the Arrange option and you will see the option Rotate. You will get two options, rotate clockwise, rotate counterclockwise. So if we click on rotate clockwise by 90°, as you can see the image is rotating exactly with the 90°. And if you don't want to rotate at 90° and you want to rotate it freely, you can just click on this dot and move the pointer to left or right according to the need to rotate the image. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen related to Google Slides. Like the video, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. Subscribe and press the bell icon if you want to learn more tips and tricks quickly like this.